Mheshimiwa, our president, is an extremely cunning human being. He understands Imichando are created for the last 4 years. He understands the campaign has been there for the last 4 years. And he knows now the opposition is gearing itself with on what he's trying to do.
Yes.
He wants to deviate abantu kurua amangana ye campaign pamarucha to another agenda and he's forcing us now to discuss that one. So by so discussing, they got to deviate from our main focus here next year. Ahende kara korenti into the discussion that he is inviting Kenyans to check was next week, even like Professor Akwana is only trying to make sure that abana siasa kusabantu bachamo baanze kugamba the media and concentrate on that discussion egerebe mangana the opposition, and the opposition is gearing itself towards Chikura. So that egerabantu baanze komora in a different format ba mas komora buna a failure ebinte via create tax about the agency killing and so many other things. So that they are kind of different. That's what he wants to do. Yakaveri nataka comment Professor Gaiga. Some of us were to a civil society.
Yes.
Some of us were to a we know what the sovereign infrastructure fund can do.
Yes.
Which is quite perfect. But unfortunately, they have it formed by the wrong person. The wrong person needing a key, the current government needs as corruption. The priority in the current government is corruption.
So according to you, a fund area,
the fund is perfect. If only is formed by Dr. Fredo Kengumatia. A fund area for the future of this country, no corona infrastructure, like you want to see ne system, ne government, they minika. And unfortunately, they securitized the same fund. Meaning that even the Auditor General is not worth or audit. So the question is, a fund created whereby the Auditor General, how transparent here?
Right.
More especially when it's being headed by a government, a water system, a quality system where you must be corrupt. If you're not corrupt, you cannot get a job in this. That's it.